Joe's got him a sail.
You guys mind if we try and grab a quick picture of this thing?
No.
Yeah, he's already filming.
Oh,
Missed the good part when he was going nuts.
coming across.
Uh-oh.
He's coming up. He's getting ready to do something. He's cutting across. See if I can get him up in the air. Oh, look at that sun. That's awesome.
What a view.
Come on up. A little dance.
Here he comes, coming to Tom's side. It's a good thing you got that line in.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We'll
Yeah.
do him on the right side of the boat.
Oh, there he is.
Or we'll do him on the left
Changed his
side.
mind. That's the leader. He's right
That's
there.
the leader right here.
He's right there.
Alright, we can cut the leader. He's a nice sail too,
Oh,
boy.
yeah.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Got it, Tommy?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, he's a big one.
Nice. Oh.
Look at that.
Tommy, you look like you know what you're doing.
Tom, yeah, he's done it many times.
Good grab, Tommy.
Fire, fire.
Coming.
Okay, man. It's okay, boy.
Now we're gonna, yeah, watch careful of that.
Alright, we're gonna let you know if you don't see this stuff.
That's a picture right now. The sail stuff, Joe. Right here. Hooks out.
Yeah.
Grab the tail, Joey.
Alright. Wow. Mad. There you go.
Okay, here's the video.
Wow.